Hello everyone, and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Kumasi VPN on your Android device to help create a more secure internet connection. Let's dive in. 1. Launch the Google Play Store. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where we'll find and install Kumasi VPN. 2. Search for Kumasi VPN. In the Google Play Store search bar, type Kumasi VPN, without the quotes, and press Enter or tap the search icon. 3. Install the Kumasi VPN app. Locate the Kumasi VPN app in the search results and tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. 4. Open Kumasi VPN. Once the installation is complete, find the Kumasi VPN icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to open the application. 5. Access the menu. Within the Kumasi VPN app, look for the menu icon. It's typically represented by 4 horizontal lines, often located in the upper corner of the screen. Tap the menu icon to open the app's options. 6. Update the configuration. From the menu, select the Update Config option. This will ensure that you have the latest server list and configuration settings for the VPN. 7. Add connection time. Next, tap the Add Time option. This feature allows you to extend your VPN connection time, often by watching a short advertisement or completing a simple task. Follow the on-screen instructions to add time to your connection. 8. Choose a server. Now, you'll need to select a server. Tap on the Choose a Server or similar option. 9. Select your country/network. From the list of available servers, select your country or network. Choosing a server that's geographically close to you typically results in better connection speeds. 10. Start the VPN connection. After selecting your server, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. 11. Allow VPN connection request. When prompted, allow the VPN connection request by tapping OK or Allow on the system dialog. This grants Kumasi VPN the necessary permissions to establish a secure connection on your device. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up Kumasi VPN. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. If you found this helpful, please subscribe.